Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. So I'm just creating 4 new image and click download here, and I am just 12 image, create a short video and upload YouTube shorts. So I'm just download 8 image and okay, and this is image and already have. So guys, I'm just connect with my phone and connect USB, and I'm just create Inshot application. So guys, keep watching my video. So guys, my phone is here, Redmi 5 Plus, and I'm just click and unlock here. Okay, now I'm edit Inshot. Then my ice cream image, transfer the phone. So guys, I am just import my download photo and create video and click new, and I'm just input my photo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and click OK. Oh no guys, just I'm edit a canvas and the full screen here, click OK, and this image here 5 second, I'm just cutting 1.5 second, 1.5. okay, then I'm edit every video, just I have 1.5 and keep watching video. So guys, I am just every video just I have 1.5 second, and just I am using transition effect. So let's start. So guys, now my video is ready, so you can easily here. So I'm create save and have save and then export. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video, so please subscribe our channel and like this video.